Is Cisco CCNA still a good certification? Cybersecurity entry level job. Uh, the so CCNA. So the CCNA is really well known, for networking, right? If you don't know what it stands for, it's the Cisco Certified Network Associate. It's it's really been kind of their entry level networking certification for a while. They're the Cisco is kind of a mess with their certifications. They have these technician level certifications that they say are entry level, but I mean, in a lot of cases, people have never gone for those. Those have never really been the recommended ones because it's a very niche job set that has those, and so people have gone more for the CCNA and CCN and kind of all these others. Um, Typically, what I tell people, the CCNA from a networking standpoint will give you the most information of the entry level ones that are out there, right? Uh, the Network Plus is a comparable certification, and the big difference is that the CCNA goes a lot deeper and a lot more technical. It adds on the Cisco specific information, but they cover a lot of similar stuff, especially when it comes to the core kind of stuff, right? So the subnetting, how networks work, how a switch works, how a router works, all that kind of stuff. It will probably take you a little bit longer to prepare for than the Network Plus will. As far as a cybersecurity job or that career progression, you're probably not going to use that Cisco specific knowledge in most jobs. Or if you do, it'll be very limited. It's probably going to be something that you could Google specifically, to Cisco. Networking stuff in general is good to know. Typically, I steer people more towards the Network Plus because it's something that you can complete and pass a lot quicker, and you're still going to learn a lot of that foundational knowledge that you need, and you're going to get enough of what you need from a networking standpoint to go into cybersecurity. So is it good? It is good, but I think you'll be fine with the Network Plus if you just want to limit it to that. But I don't think you necessarily need both. But a lot of times you've seen even Cisco say, I know when I was going through, Cisco's even saying that if you get in the Network Plus, it will increase your passing chances on the CCNA, which is true because you're not having to relearn all that networking stuff from scratch. You've kind of already established that baseline, and then you're just adding the Cisco information on top of it. So take that for what it's worth. But as a whole, I mean, Cisco certifications still have a lot of value, but they typically are more valuable on the IT side of things than they are in the cybersecurity side of things.